Today, children are growing up with screens in their hands before they even learn to speak properly. Mobile phones have become babysitters. But what if one simple toy could bring back creativity, imagination, learning, and happiness? Today, we discover the power of building block toys. Building blocks are not just toys, they are tools that train a child's brain. Children can create houses, bridges, cars, towers, animals, and even imaginary worlds. Every block they connect builds confidence inside their mind. Today, many children spend hours scrolling videos. Too much screen time can reduce physical activity, social interaction, creativity, and focus. But building block toys do the exact opposite. They make children think, they make children move, they make children create. Instead of tapping a screen, they start building dreams with their own hands. When children pick blocks carefully, balance shapes, and place them one by one, their hand-eye coordination improves naturally. This helps in writing, drawing, sports, and everyday activities later in life. Even simple stacking teaches balance, patience, and precision. Every time a child builds something, the brain starts solving problems. How to balance, how to connect, how to make it stronger. This develops logical thinking, creativity, imagination, and early engineering skills. Many architects, engineers, designers, and inventors started with simple building toys as a children. And how parents should use this toy. Parents should not just hand over the toy, they should become a part of the game. Ask children to build animals, cars, houses, or their dream city. Praise their creativity, let them fall and build again. That is how confidence grows. Just 30 minutes daily with building blocks can create memories, stronger bonding, and healthier childhood habits. Building blocks also develop social and emotional development. When children play together with blocks, they learn teamwork, sharing, communication, and patience. They also learn how to solve problems calmly when structures fall apart. These small lessons become big life skills in the future. And why every house should have it? A building block is a toy, not just entertainment. It is exercise for the brain. It keeps children away from excessive mobile addiction. It improves creativity, strengthens parent-child bonding, and helps children learn with having fun. That is why every home with a young child should have building blocks. Sometimes the simplest toys create the smartest minds. And if you believe childhood should be creative, active, and full of imagination, then building block toys are a wonderful beginning. Like this video, share it with parents, and subscribe for more such educational toy stories. Thank you. See you soon in our next video. Till then, bye bye. Take care.